This is the second video for the fifth exercise of SketchUp. We have already made the cylinder and the sphere, and I have also give them color and create components, and now I just have to make the cap. So for the cap, I don't have any specific measure. I can do it as tall or wide as I want, and I'm going to take the reference of the ball of the sphere on the cylinder to its measure. So this time I'm going to make a circle of let's say 60 millimeters diameter, like the sphere, or 60 millimeters radius. And now for the height, I'm going to draw the line here parallel to the blue axis, and 200 millimeters tall. And I'm going to draw a rectangle from this point to this other, from the center of the circle to the border, and with this height. Let's check if it is made correctly. Yes. Now in this rectangle I will have to draw the shape, the form of the cap. So you can use the lines, arcs, or rectangles tool to make it. So for example, you can start on this part and make an arc like this. Be sure that it is made on the face. You see right now it says on the face, because if it is not, for example like this, it is in another plane, so it will be a mistake and we couldn't finish it. After that I'm going to use the line tool and the arc tools again. Be sure that it says on the face. If we want to make sure that it is parallel to this line, we will just have to use the measure tools and if I take here, for example, 6 millimeters, I will have to take also 6 millimeters here. If you want, you can also add some other details to the cap. For example, you can add some details here, but always taking into account making them on the face of the object. And remember to after that erasing all the lines that we don't need, like this one and the outer lines. If when erasing the lines this part becomes hollow, that means some part of it is open, so check it or go back and do again the points. And after that, just take the follow-up tool and start by following these lines. You will see that the object is complete. Let's move the camera to check if it is correct. If you want to also complete this part, we can do the same as in the others, drawing a line here, and it should complete this fade, but that won't be really necessary. Remember to give it color and create component.